Multiply 4.2 by 3.5 using long multiplication. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor. 5 times 2 is 10. Put 0 in this column and carry 1. 5 times 4 plus the carried 1 is 21. The first partial product is 210. Now use the next digit to the left, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 4 is 12. The second partial product is 1260. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 0 plus 0 is 0. In the tens column, 1 plus 6 is 7. In the hundreds column, 2 plus 2 is 4. In the thousands column, bring down 1. The product of the whole numbers is 1470. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 1470 becomes 14.70. That is simply 14.7. So 4.2 times 3.5 is 14.7.